Hey, how's it going? Recently had a post on LinkedIn where it was titled, "What's in your speaker's bag?" And had a lot of great comments, and people said, "Hey, Frank, thanks for showing us the picture, but could you actually go through the details of what's actually in your bag and why you have it?" So I am getting ready for a trip, and this is my bag that I'm currently using. It's a backpack that's provided to me by my sponsor. I'm an ambassador for the group called K.I.T.C.H.E.N. So this is my travel bag. I'm going to show you what goes in this bag and why I do it. So first off in the bag, you always got to have your computer. So I am a Mac guy, so I've got my laptop, and the laptop goes in the back of the bag. So we've got that right here. Now, once we get the laptop in there, we got a couple things to do. I fly a lot, so when I'm flying, I also got an iPad. The iPad allows me not to kill the power on the computer. I can watch a movie, put some headphones in and listen to like a story. So that will go into the backpack also. Once we get from there, we got a couple side pouches here on the bag, and the side pouches are for fun stuff. I'm always talking to people, shaking hands, so I've got hand lotion and sanitizer because the sanitizer can dry your hands out. And we got lotion just to keep the hands nice and moisturized. You find yourself eating and cooking, eating different places. So I did a food conference before. I know the guy named Kitchen Food Conference, and actually have a little plastic silverware set here because you can't take metal through security. So we've got that, and that goes into the side of the bag. So when I'm out, and I need just like some silverware, there's not anything available, I've got that there in the bag also. So that's just some of the basics there that go on the side. Now let's get to the middle or the heart of the bag, and what happens in that is traveling. We have lots of technology. We got phones, and I've got the camera that I'm recording this on right now. So I've got my battery pack, and that battery pack makes sure they got extra power. I travel with the kids a lot too, so the kids always want a little bit of power for their devices also. Now the fun one comes up to, a lot of people were asking, was I have these pencil bags, and I actually have two. I've got a black pencil bag right there, and I've got a green pencil bag. Now the reason I got them for different colors is I know what's inside of them, but my green pencil bag tends to have markers and pens, so I need to sign books and stuff like that. That's in there, but this is pretty much my marketing bag. I don't do business cards, but I do have stickers. So I've got my stickers in here for promo for people. So that's going to be that I hand out on tables, so it says Live Fresh. So I've got my stickers there. Once again, a lot of people are like, why don't you use business cards? Don't use business cards because people chuck them. But when you have a sticker, the sticker can go in a water bottle, can go in a computer, can go somewhere. It's a way for people to remember you. It also has all the notes to my program on it. So if people really want to remember and have an impact, that's on there. Another fun one in here is I've got a branded lanyard. The lanyard, a lot of times at conferences, they give you lanyards, and sometimes the lanyard's not really good, or hey, you're there to market yourself, so why not put your own color in marketing? So that's what's inside this bag. I like the color green. The color green is the color of growth and action, which I speak on because I talk about professional growth, so we do that. And I even have green markers to sign the books because anybody can sign in a black marker. And then also, you never know where you can go for an event, so I actually even have a magnetized name tag so people will know what I'm doing. But the fun part about the name tag is it's got my website. So once again, always marketing. So that is the green marketing bag. We're going to throw that into the backpack here. So that's off camera right now, but we'll just go ahead and get that thrown in. So we've got the marketing bag. Now the black bag, you got to come prepared. You never know what's going to happen when it comes to tech. So for my tech, this is where I have all my power cords and dongles, and I even have my clickers in here. So when I'm doing presentations, I've got clickers, and yes, I said clickers because you never know if it's going to not work or break or how much distance is going to happen in the room. So always carry a backup. Also have my HDMI cord if I need to plug in anywhere for a projector, and then this other power cords for phones, computers, and tablets. And the big one that is a must is this one. This is a portable hard drive. With the portable hard drive is oftentimes there are photographers and videographers at your events, and you want to get those pictures and videos, and if you wait till the end to talk to those people, they may be gone. You'll never get those pictures or that video of the priceless moment. So I love to have that with me, and I can ask for the video or photos right there at the event before I leave and I jump on a plane. So that is the black tech bag. Now, when you get tired on the plane, guess what? Sometimes you just want to, you want to get some sleep. So I've got some earplugs in the bag, but I also have got my eye mask, and the eye mask allows me to get some nice shut-eye and rest while I am on an airplane. So that goes into the bag also. Now, you're watching this video right now, and it's kind of cool. I've got this camera. It is called the DJI Osmo Pocket Pro. It is a small carry-on because you don't want to have a whole bunch of space taken up in your bag, but it is a small carry-on 4K camera. So with that camera, I actually have the little camera bag here that carries the camera. And then also it's got a microphone, and right now it's up on a tripod, so that travels with me, backup battery. So the idea is you never know when that moment of magic is going to happen. You don't know if they're going to have a videographer or a camera person there for you. So I bring my own camera with me just to make sure that everything is good to go. Now from there, I've got my planner. This is my journal. The journal has my calendar, so I know all the events that are going to be happening. Allows me to write notes in it, and it's also got my daily affirmation so I can remind myself exactly who I am, what I want to do, because I always want to live fresh, which means I am focusing on cooking up the results that I am hungry for while I inspire, educate, and empower others to do the same. So this is my little piece of inspiration. And then my wife wants to make sure, whoa, I've got plenty of places to hold on to. So I actually have another journal here that says to my husband. So we got two journals. So on planes, traveling in airports, got something to write on. Once again, that's going to go in the bag right now. Now, here's some of the fun things that go into the bag. You never know what's going to happen, so you have a book to read. I know lots of different speakers, so I'll bring a book to read if I don't have an audio book. And the current book right now is called Squid Your Brain, and this is by my new friend who is up in, this is Mel from up in the Seattle area. So we're going to be reading this. She signed it for me. I'm going to be reading that on the plane for my next trip. But also, I love to bring copies of my books with me. I usually bring at least 2 copies of the books, 2 of each, and I can use those as gifts to take care of people who take care of me. It's a great thank you gift. It's a gift of empowerment and just encouragement. Let's see, we got some more hand sanitizer. I don't have one right now, but these are my reading glasses. So just in case I need to see things well. So we got the reading glasses packed in there. Got a tripod in. Some other things that go into my bag are, a lot of people love the little portable spatulas. So once again, this can be given to people as a thank you gift. I love to thank the people who bring me in to speak. So generally once I'm done speaking, the people who bring me in, I give them their own little spatula. And then, oh yeah, when we're on the plane, that's my flying movie theater or my place to learn. That's my lab where I can listen to audiobooks and podcasts. So we've got our sound reduction headphones. And I've also, just like everything, you bring backups. You never know what's going to happen, so maybe the power doesn't work in my headphones when I charge them up. That goes in my bag. And then the last thing that goes in the bag here is, if it's not snacks, I've just got my little toiletries bag. There is toothpaste in there, toothbrush. I've got some flu medicine. I've got some mints. I've got some tea for the voice. There's some Band-Aids in there. We've got some dental floss. We have a little wet and wipe rags, some extra sanitizer. That's all in this bag here, easy access. So when you're in the airport, you need something nice and easy to help you out. It's right there, ready to go. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to zip everything up because you're probably going, Frank, does it all really fit? So let me just go ahead and zip my bag up here, all the different pockets ready to go. This bag has a lot of great spots. I didn't have my water bottle right now. That usually will come along with me. I'll usually try to bring some healthy snacks because the food in the airport is just always expensive. So I work to bring something that I can go and do. And once it's all said and done, that's it. It is all in the backpack. So that's what's in my speaker's bag. And most importantly too, with that speaker's bag, let me show you this. Once again, always marketing and branding. So you got my name and website there, my name there. It starts a lot of conversations. And there's been points where I've been in the airport and it's either created new friendships or actually created business. So that's the video. What's in my bag? Got any questions? Leave any comments below here on the post and I can answer more questions. You can also go to frankkitchen.com/resources. I'll put that here under the video and you can go see a lot of things that I recommend for resources as far as how to take your brain from stale thinking to fresh results or just what I travel with. All right, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.